Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to present about an educational video here on SurreyLearn module called Process Operation and Management. What I recently did, so this is called, you can see here is session 5A and 5B. So our group is located on stream B, so either Monday or Tuesday, but actually me is on the Tuesday session like what I did in recent days. So here are the scheduling, what that typical day look like for session 5A and 5B. So I'm going to cover it out for you. Here at 9 a.m., the session begins, then followed by an introduction of 5-minute session brief, another 20 minutes of briefing, votes, and review procedure, then set a round robin session for short 5 more minutes. So group A, B, C, and D. So I'm only going to cover what my group has to cover. So here they are. Group B had a 90-minute break, 9:30, return at 11, rig exercise another 90 minutes, although we typically manage to finish several minutes early. And then lunch break, 1 hour till 13:30 here. Then return group A and B, 90-minute briefing. Here every gonna cover like safety management, quantitative risk assessment, short breaks as well, production cycle review, completing log sheets like kind of course exercises. At 15:00, continue this briefing session with raw material specification, correcting for specification, development projects introduction by different tutor actually. Finally, at 16:40, like kind of another interruption with a break here. What we've concluded the day with, thinking meeting in separate groups, 25 minutes, like go around, initial thought, following question, like we had to answer, give our own opinions. What went well when you were starting up the HES process, pairs work as well, 3 minutes per person on the group for the question above. What have you learned through starting up the HES process? Go around again, single final thought about state one thing that is essential to remember when you were starting up the HES process. Also capture on flip charts if for paper, although that's not necessarily needed. Go around, ask any question and answers for last 10 minutes, and then conclude the session. Tuesday was over, finally on 17:50. Follow assignment as well is given. Here, review operating manual, shutdown to standby, and batch changes. They are also contents what might also possibly going to present, but I'm going to show you later with the presentation slides. Continue on SurreyLearn. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the presentation.